it's the first time we've got all 3 dogs to actually go to sleep. I'm trying to get a video dead quick, but this is the first time they've been lying down, settled, and not doing nothing. Look how cute they look. Aren't they gorgeous? Yeah, he's got a lead on, by the way, because he keeps trying to have babies with this one. So in case you're wondering why that's there, we don't want puppies. But look how cute they are.
It's to calm him down because he won't leave her alone.
Yep.
And it's not good for his own health either because he keeps getting over too excited.
Yep.
Giving himself a heart attack.
And she keeps being sick because of the heat, so.
Lie down.
And they're so cute.